Tonight, the table is set for our exclusive restaurant report card. This week, a seafood restaurant received a failing score in the 40s. But first, our Adam Murphy has the details on a one-of-a-kind sushi spot with a perfect health score.
Guys, I've got a perfect treat for you this week, one you're going to absolutely love. I found my new favorite sushi spot. We're at the Revolving Sushi Factory on North Main Street in Alpharetta. Pretty new place. Let me tell you, you can bring the family here, you can bring a date here. It's really cool because you order at your table, and look, the sushi comes right along the conveyor belt right next to your table here. It's made fresh. If you make a special order at your table, the delivery bot will bring it out, and that's a lot of fun as well. And even Bella the robot might pay you a visit at your table depending on what you get. So much to do and talk about and great food to enjoy. I'm going to tell you all about it in a moment. But first, here's this week's Best and Worst Scores.